What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday, and as you know, each and every Saturday I share with you guys signals and setups for the coming week and what to expect from the market and what not to expect from the market. So today we're going to take a closer look at step index, V75, V100 and V25 1S. Those are one of the most volatile indices that we have in the market, and we're going to do a breakdown of how they are expected to behave this coming week. Okay, so before I do that, I posted on my Instagram as usual a questionnaire where I asked you guys to ask me any question related to trading, and then I'm going to answer it right here. So I'm just going to go through the questions and clarify some things before we start our usual analysis, before I start to give you the signals. Okay, so the first question was from MenBeast7, and it said, how do I start? So I'm guessing, how do I start forex trading? Okay, so for the newbies who are right here, we should also subscribe to the channel and like the videos. What you basically need to start forex trading is internet access and either a laptop or a smartphone, right? Those are the main basic things that you would require. Those are a must. You should either have a phone or a laptop, right? And for you to start trading, you need to equip yourself with knowledge, right? So there's so many ways you can acquire the knowledge. You can get some of the knowledge here on YouTube, or you can find someone who can tutor you private one-on-one, right? You can get someone that can tutor you private one-on-one on exactly what you need in forex trading. Okay, so after you do that, you are now then able to trade, and all that is left is for you to have some capital to trade with, right? So basically you can find the basics here online. They are mostly easier that way because it's free, but you can also get someone that can teach you maybe one-on-one on how exactly to kill the market. One thing that I would have to clarify here is forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to exercise precise caution, right? You need to exercise precise caution. You're not going to get rich quick. Therefore, you need to first gather the knowledge so that you're able to get into the trading markets. Okay, I hope that answered you. Then the next question said, boss, do you have a VIP group? Yes, I do have a VIP group. You can Instagram me and I can tell you more about it. It's on fire. I send at least 3 signals in that group. So daily, we trade daily, by the way, except for Saturday and Sunday. But starting from February, we'll be trading 7 days a week. Okay. And then he said, do you trade forex or you only do indices? That's the next question. I do trade both forex and indices, forex pairs and indices. This one said, what lot size will you advise on a $100 account? Okay. What are you trading? Are you trading pairs? Are you trading indices? If you're trading pairs, you have to use the smallest lot size. Again, if you're trading indices, you have to use the smallest lot size. But in some cases, it depends how you are trading and who you are trading with. If you're trading with me, definitely you can use higher lot size because you can still be profitable. Okay. This one said, how long does a withdrawal from Skrill take? A withdrawal from Skrill to your bank account. Usually they tell you the days, depending on the bank, but it should be within 3 days, I guess. I'm not sure about that. I now use Bitcoin. Then this one said, let me see this. It says, how profitable are you and what strategy do you actually use? Because I have seen that you have. Okay, how profitable I am? I say I get at least 20% per month. That is at least 20%. So if I'm trading with $10,000, I get at least $2,000 a month. If I'm trading with at least with $100,000, I get at least $20,000 a month. Okay. And as to pay, what strategy do I use? I am a confluence trader. I trade using what is called price action plus what is called beat the market maker, which is BTMM, and then the last strategy that I use is called inner circle trading, which is ICT. So I use those three strategies combined, thus confluence trading, right? So I'm a confluence trader. I use the three trade. And then this one says, how can I start trading it with $100 and become profitable? Simple. You just start, get the right information, and start. Okay. And then this one said, do you use robots or systems when you are trading? Yes, guys. This argument on robots, indicators, and what we're going to be using robots, guys. That's, whether you like it or not, this is where the world is going. Indicators, yes, you say it's lagging, it's what, but that's where we are heading. That's what works. Nobody can be able to. In the near future, it won't be possible for you to be competing very well with those indicators because, as you know, guys, that's what the world is evolving to. So you better start evolving. I have some videos here on indicators and robots. You better start equipping yourself with such technology because already at the institutions they now have what they call quants, what they call high frequency trading, which can only be done by robots, right? So yes, I have accounts that I use systems and indicators. But this one said, how long did it take you to be a profitable trader and what's your secret formula? It took me 3 years, but doesn't mean it will take you 3 years. It can take you longer, it can take you less than those 3 years that it took me. I got to know about trading way back, and there wasn't really much people who knew about it, so it was quite a long journey for me until I would find someone that was well versed with it. So it can take 1 month for you, it can take 10 years for you. Just depends. My secret formula is I work and I have dedicated time to this thing. And I have one of the best mentors. So that's the formula. Yes, it's not secret. This one says, when are you buying the Bentley? Okay, this is actually my friend. I know him. I went to school with him. When are you buying the Bentley? The Bentley is coming. It's obvious the Bentley has to come. The Bentley is coming. Don't worry, guys. The Bentley is coming. The Bentley is coming. This one says, what do I do to get mentorship? You can go to my website, which say tradingandmoney.com. The link is down below, or you can contact me on my number, or you can message me on my DMs on Instagram. Get you the help that you need. This one says, how important is the Elliott wave theory to do? Like I said, I'm a price action trader, right? But so price action is quite a vast it's quite a vast term or umbrella term, right? There's a lot that happens in price action. I'm not really much into Elliott waves. I'm also studying those. If you are good at them, you can hit me up, show me some things, but I'm also studying them. I'm not good at that yet. Okay. So this one says, how long does one need to start being profitable? Guys, this has nothing to do with time. It all has to do with where are you getting your information, how are you getting it, how fast are you getting it, how fast can you grab it, how fast can you implement what you're doing, right? So it can be done overnight. and you can actually be profitable. Or it can take you 10 years and you will still be profitable. It can take you a month, it can take you 3 months. Depends. My courses run for at least a month. 30 days of you waking up each and every day doing chart analysis. Because I believe in the 21 days rule to make a habit and 90 days rule to make a lifestyle, right? So time isn't much of a factor. It's all about, are you getting the correct information at the right time? How long did it take you to raise to? Oh my god, guys, why are you so impatient, you guys? Why are you so impatient? Like I said, I started this 3-4 years back, and here we are. What's the best strategy to use on volatility, and how do I set it up on my MT5? Best strategy, like I said, I'm a confluence trader. I believe every strategy is the best as long as you can understand it. Some people make money with price action, some people actually lose money with price action. Does that make price action a best strategy? No, it doesn't. Okay. So I said, pamavideos enyu esemdala ndiripi video ririkubata spike on booming crash. So basically asking which strategy can I use on booming crash to catch spikes. I think I have some video that I did some time back. I think the onus is on you to do some research on it, right? Guys, I still need to do analysis. How do you analyze charts? Okay, this is the last question actually. How do you analyze charts? Here's what we're going to be doing right now. I wanted to do an analysis on um all these charts, but I'm just gonna do a breakdown now because I didn't know the questions were so many. I was just actually viewing them now. So here is what we have on one step. I'm on a weekly time frame, so this is what I predict is going to happen this week. So first of all, we had a breakout here, then price pushed up, then failed to break this, and then it became our resistance zone. Again, it failed to break it. So as you can see, price was now failing to break. So this point, as you can see, is lower than this point, right? Which means price is now failed to break the previous high. Do you get what that means? It means you're now in a downtrend when price fails to break the previous high. Then, so this is what happened. It rallied up, failed to break the previous high, went back down. Rallied up, failed to break the previous high, went back down. Rallied up, failed to break the previous high, and went back down. Rallied up, failed to break the previous high, went back down. So from here, we're expecting price to at least push up from this resistance zone. So it's either price will just break this right here and then push up, but I'm seeing this as a whole flag, right? So these are for the people that are going to be holding this for some time. This is what is going to happen. Let's move on to maybe a lower time frame for those that want quick profits. Let's see what they can get. So this is how the chart basically looks like. So this is the downtrend caused by price failing to break the previous high, or you can look at it this way. Price set this low and then broke that low here. This low was broken here. This low as in W, that is in LOW, was broken here again, right? So that basically means price is pushing back down. Do you guys get it? If price is failing to break, if price is breaking previous lows, it means you are going down. Now we are at this point. Oh shoot. We are at this point, so we're here, and we're seeing price sort of like resisting this line that we have right here, but eventually price should drop to set a lower low, right? Price should drop to set a lower low right there, a lower low right here. So this is what we're expecting from step index. We can take a look at it from the 1 hour time frame and see if it makes sense. So this is the 1 hour time frame. We can see that at this point we're sort of like consolidating, but we have this uh, bearish flag right here. Basically price come back down and break it. Support is right here. We don't see it. Support is right here. And then the breakout is here. We can also check out the other flag we had here. Another nice flag. Then it was broken again. So here, we're expecting a break here at this point. Okay. So that's for step index. Let's check out V100. So V100, I had already done the analysis, and this is what I see most likely to happen. Sorry. Let me see. So this is what we had for V100. We're also in a bearish wedge, and price start dropping from here to this bottom. And then eventually, after some dilly-dallying here, we should expect price to break out and drop. So it's quite simple for V100. Let's take a look at V25S. Again, I done the analysis. Did it the 4 time frame, I'm guessing. Okay, maybe let me remove some of the things that are not necessary. So as you can see, V25 was on a bull run for a while, but in the bull run we're also in this wedge. It was a bullish wedge. It was then broke, which had a breakout here. Then price started to drop, and then I realized no, it actually had a flag pole attached to it, right? And we know after a flag pole we expect an equal size flag to appear. So this sell is gonna continue, and then I realized we're also at a major resistance. Maybe let me show you in the 1 hour time frame. We're also at a major resistance point where price keeps bouncing at, and see how many times it was testing this zone. So the sell was confirmed because we had this resistance line that price kept on bouncing. So I'm expecting price to start dropping, and let's see what we'll do over the weekend. Closer look into today's. So if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe, like the video, share, comment what you think about this, comment what you think is going to happen. Again, the winner will get a chance to get VIP access for free. Okay, the Telegram channel is in the description. Until next time.